Hello, this is Bob Pandolfo with another example from Belmont. This one is from Sunday, October 14th, and I have a diamond system printout here. Again, we're going to concentrate on a turf race, turf root race, and the formula kick rating. Now, in this particular race, I actually bet this race. I really like Katie Malone here, who was my top pick. But then, as I was handicapping the race, it was obvious that Madame Johar was a strong horse, but had post 10. So I thought, could be B from post 10. It was a tough post. And so then uh, another horse who looked good here was You're Okay by Me. And the favorite, Flirtatious Spring, I thought had a chance, even though the horse doesn't have real good ratings, but fit here on class. Um, but but let's look over this the kick rating and the diamond ratings. And the diamond rating, you can see that it was pretty closely matched when here 107, 109, 109, and 116. But then you look at the diamond speed, which is a combination of late speed and final time. Katie Malone had a nice 103. And the next lowest and next best, because it's lower the better on diamond ratings, was You're Okay by Me, who had a 109. I'm sorry, actually, Madame Johair had a 101, and then You're Okay by Me had a 109. So these three horses, Katie Malone, Madame Johar, and You're Okay by Me, all had significantly lower diamond speeds, which is again final time and late speed, a good number for turf routes where we want to concentrate on horses that can finish. But you look at the formula kick rating. Now, the kick rating in the higher the better. You're Okay by Me has a 118. Now that is clearly the best kick rating in the race. Katie Malone had a 113, and Madame Johar had a 110. Again, these three horses kind of tower over the rest on diamond speed and formula kick. And formula kick is the best rating for these turf fruits. And this is a really nice number, 118. Over here you have diamond energy. Diamond energy is a number that shows you how much energy the horses are going to have left. Madam Johar has a 35, the highest in the race, and You're Okay by Me has a 34.5, which is the second highest in the race. Um, this is a good number. The thing is with these energy numbers though, you want to make sure the horse is fast enough overall too. Like you see these two horses down here have 34.5s, but they're a little bit too slow. So they're going to have a lot of energy left, but the problem is they're too far back. I mean, they're not fast enough. So you want a horse that has good energy, that is ranked somewhere in the contenders, as this horse is. I mean, this horse, if you look at Formula Power is the higher the better. Um, Katie Malone had a 99.5, which was the best rating, and You're Okay by Me had the next best, 98.7, with the top kick rating. So I didn't make a big score in this race because I played a big exact in Katie Malone with You're Okay by Me, and turned out Madam Johar and You're Okay by Me was the exacta. But I did have the exacta because I boxed the 110 and 2, and I played a couple small tickets, like with the 2 and the 7, and then I played a big exact, the 1 and 2. Um, but still, it was a nice exacta, and the main thing is the win bet, 29.20 to win on You're Okay by Me. The exacta paid $70, by the way. But again, this is a race where you can see that even though You're Okay by Me is a long shot, the horse figures. I mean, the horse has the best kick rating, good energy rating, the third best diamond speed, and one of three horses with a very good diamond speed. Second best power rating, and the kick rating, is in my opinion, in these turf route races, is the best rating. The higher the number, the better. And this is a very strong number because Katie Malone, who had a very good chance here, I thought, has a 113. This horse is 5 points better. You're Okay by Me, and much better odds. Katie Malone was 7-2, and this horse paid 29.20. You're Okay by Me. So another example of how you can catch these long shots in these turf races using the diamond kick. And it's particularly good, by the way, if you're playing pick threes, pick fours. I mean, you have to look for horses you can throw in so that you can hit the good pick threes. You can't just play all favorites. if you're playing a pick three, you're going to throw this horse in. I can guarantee you. I mean, once you get to know the system, you're going to know. Well, it's a turf race. This is a long shot with the top kick rating, and good speed rating, good power rating. So there's no question that this is going to be one of the horses you throw in, and that's what you need if you're going to hit these nice winners. Let me see what the pick three paid here. Well, the exacta paid $70, but well, it depends which pick three you played. Um, this particular pick three paid $7,590 coming down to this race from races 4 and 5. But like I said, though, these are the kind of horses you want when you're playing exotics. So that's another example. I'll have more in days ahead, but thanks for tuning in. And this is Bob Pandolfo. Have a good one.